Welcome back to Eliances Heroes, where heroes in business align. To be part of our super community and find out more about Eliances, visit www.eliances.com. Now, back to our super host, David Kogan, founder of Eliances.
Yeah, can you believe? I mean, what a day it's been. We just found out the CEO from WorthPoint, over 160,000 daily searches, what our items can be worth. And he's led up billion-dollar companies in that. Later on in the show, we're going to have Jay Heiler, the founder and president of Great Hearts Academies. Huge, phenomenal, incredible education, helping so many children get through school, get the right education. Well, let's talk about our next hero. Well, if you're coughing, you're definitely going to want to listen to this interview. Why? Because we have with us Dr. Vishal Verma. He is the president and chief medical officer of 4C Medical Group. And you can reach him at 4cmedicalgroup.com. All right, Dr. Verma, let's get right into it, because one of the most popular questions we seem to get is, how do you just cure the common cold?
Well, first of all, David, I appreciate the opportunity for being on this show, and opportunity to talk about my amazing group, which is part of Optum Care Arizona. Well, we are in a season where we have lots of common cold, and many just remedies which are non-medical can help you. Practice a very good hygiene. Wash your hands. Don't eat food outside which is stale. And if somebody is coughing and sneezing, we'll highly recommend for them to cover their nose or cough on the edge of the elbow.
Is there anything over the counter too that you recommend before we go see a doctor? Is there anything that really works?
Well, before examining a patient, I really don't give a medical advice over a public radio, but for fever, Tylenol works, right? I can tell you that. But if you are coughing, and if this cough is persistent for more than 24 hours, I'll highly recommend to seek medical advice from your medical practitioner you use services.
Now, how many offices does 4C Medical Group have, and how many doctors, PAs, and that?
Well, 4C has 9 locations at currently as 4C Medical Group, and since we are part of Optum Care Arizona, together we have about 14 locations across the valley. I always say that if you are living in Valley, you are likely within 5-mile radius of a 4C location. We have about close to 100 clinicians, and we are going strong. We are one of the most progressive and groups in town, and we deliver excellent, cost-effective, timely, appropriate care. We'll help people live healthier lives and make healthcare network work better for everyone.
Now, you've got a big role there. I mean, you're the president and the chief medical officer, 4C Medical Group. That means you're the doctor of the doctors. So tell me, how did you get there?
Well, this role certainly humbles me and fills me with gratitude. We do have a lot of, able professionals within our medical group. Giving my current role and responsibility truly, gravitates me. But yes, my current role, you can call me doctors of doctors. Being a chief medical officer, I do have a role to make sure that our clinical workforce is delivering on our mission and vision and help people live healthier lives.
Now, you've also co-authored many medical studies, publications during your practice of medicine. What's this thing I'm hearing about of the quadruple aim of 4C?
Well, a quadruple aim of 4C Medical Group comes from Optum. We believe in cost-effective care, quality care, care which improves the patient experience, and care which improves the provider experience. These are the 4 pillars of our organization, and these are the foundations of our healthcare network. We truly want to champion all of our core values while we are helping patients, live healthier lives.
And you're listening to me, David Kogan, host of the Eliances Hero Show. Listening to me will make you healthier too. Why? Because I've got Dr. Vishal Verma here in the studio, President and Chief Medical Officer of 4C Medical Group. You can go to 4cmedicalgroup.com and make sure you check out our our past interviews, like for example, when I had on the co-founder of Motley Fool. So make sure you go to Eliances.com. That's Eliances.com. Talk to me, Dr. Verma, about what do you see? What does your crystal ball tell you about the future of healthcare? I mean, we hear about all these various apps. We hear about all these devices coming out. We hear about more research. What do we need to know?
Well, I mean, healthcare is evolving, and healthcare is evolving at a very rapid pace. The current cost of healthcare in our country is just mind-boggling. It takes too many GDP dollars and really necessarily not deliver the quality of care which one will like to have. So one thing is for sure, while we all move from fee-for-service to value-based markets, you know, a common American can expect a cost-effective quality care, a bang for the buck, what the healthcare dollar costs to America today. We believe that with all the innovations and solutions being developed, you know, as of today, will make the healthcare more integrated, more accessible, will remove disparities, you know, access of healthcare will improve, and overall the clinical outcomes, you know, of the future healthcare will be great. We think, you know, majority of the healthcare will be delivered in an ambulatory care settings. You know, of course, hospitals will definitely have a role in it, but you know, future of healthcare is an ambulatory integrated healthcare networks which can deliver cost-effective, timely, appropriate, and passionate care and help people live healthier lives.
Now, I mean, clearly you're extremely smart, and of the various professions that you could have gone into in that, why choose and why did you choose to become a doctor?
Well, see, human beings at the end will need somebody when they are sick or when they are not able to live a healthier life, right? And when I was getting my education, I thought that having medical education will certainly place me, you know, in a spectrum where I definitely can deliver on, you know, help people when they are truly in need, when they are most vulnerable part of the time. And that was very kind of, you know, important to me as a person. And I think the healthcare gave me that opportunity, and my medical education helped me deliver on that.
So stop coughing. Make sure you go to 4C Medical Group. Again, that's the number 4C medicalgroup.com. And of course, we'll have the link on our website at Eliances.com. That's Eliances.com. It is the only place where entrepreneurs align. And Dr. Verma, we're getting some additional questions coming in, and they seem to have something in common. And this really has to do with parents wanting to know what's the best way for them to help kind of almost motivate, encourage children to, you know, be healthy, like, right, wash hands when you're done and stuff, without having to be in the restroom and making sure that they're like, what's the best way have you seen to encourage that?
Well, though we are a majority practice adult medicine, but we have family practitioners who take care of kids. I think the best way to teach a kid to live a healthier lifestyle is by practicing one. If you as a parent start practicing a healthier lifestyle, you make sure that you take care of your weight, you are exercising 5 times a week, you don't consume alcohol, you don't smoke in front of the kids, and you yourself practice a healthier lifestyle by washing your hands before you eat. I think kids, that's the best teaching you can give your kids. And I'm sure the kids will learn and practice them too. And that's the only way. I think just preaching and not practicing will not help the situation.
Excellent. Well, worthy advice from the doctor of doctor. That's right. You help patients live healthier lives with communication, compassion. That's right. That's a hero. Dr. Vishal Verma, 4C Medical Group. You can go to 4cmedicalgroup.com. This has been David Kogan with Eliances. And when we return, we're going to be having the founder and the president of the board of the Great Hearts Academies. This is David Kogan with Eliances.